Hi guys, this is John from Bat-i-Burrillo Puppet Theatre, and today we're going to explain to you how you can make some really interesting 3D animals just using your phone. And also in the blog we're going to add some information about how you can base some lessons around this too. Okay, here's the step-by-step guides, and yeah, have fun. I'm sure you're going to like it. Do you want to see a tiger on your terrace? Or what about a hungry panda eating some bamboo? Or perhaps an eagle flying?
Your phone has to be an Android 7.0 or more, or an iOS 11 or more if it's an Apple. Open Chrome, go to Google. There aren't all the animals. You can Google 3D animals and it tells you a list, but I'm going to do raccoon because I like raccoons. So it opens on the little raccoon, you page down and you'll see this. Meet a life-sized raccoon up close. You press View in 3D. Sometimes you have to press twice. Okay. Now on the iPhone, on this iPhone, it comes directly into my room. See this funny little diagram? Is it getting ready? You can see the raccoon just under that. On other phones, it may open up like this, Object. So this is on Object, see? And you need to press AR. And this will put the animal in your flat. First you get a little thing like this. And you have to move the phone. It sometimes takes time and you need to do it over a surface like a floor or a table. You need some light, so let's go closer to the light. Continue to move the phone. Let's see. No. Oh, here he is. Oh, he's on the sofa there, look. There he is. He's thinking, can I get off? He doesn't know what to do. John, go and be careful. Don't sit on the raccoon, John.
Hello, little raccoon.
He's not sure. He's a bit scared of you, I think. He's going to try and get off. Oh, he said, where did he go? Okay, and you can take him with your finger and you can put him somewhere else. Here, for example. Here he is on the table. Oh, he says, that's weird. He's having a good look around. See his shadow on the table. And you can make him smaller or bigger. I like him about that size, I think. And then you can think, okay, I'm going to take a little photo of him. Raccoon, look up. There he is. Okay. Oh, you can also take a video. Oh, he's gone again now. Hang on, we'll have to get him back. You have to wait sometimes. Remember to be patient. There he is. Now, if you move the phone, he doesn't follow you. You have to bring him with you. Whee! And then you can also take a video. He's so sweet. Okay, and then you've got your video to show your friends a little raccoon in your house. Have fun and be patient.